Welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen, the art of Asian handmade noodles. Here is a list of the ingredients you will need. Please pause the video and make a note. Take 3 cups of a high gluten flour, such as bread flour, and start to slowly add in 3/4 cup of water, stirring in between each addition of the water. You're going to want to make this a slightly dry dough. You don't want it really wet, so you're going to just slowly add this water so that you can keep track of where you are in the moisture content. As we stir and you have a moment, take a look down below on the right hand side and click that subscribe button. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. We'll make sure to give you a notification every time a new video comes out. Now stir, 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 stir. As you can see, the dough is quite dry. Don't worry. We want to just knead it together, slowly but surely. This is going to take you about 5 to 10 minutes to incorporate all of the moisture of the water into the flour to bring it to a ball. I'll show you how it'll look in just a moment. See? More than enough water. Now you just keep working this dough, folding the top into the back, and then pushing hard. This is a good workout, so if you like to give your muscles a little bit of exercise, make some noodles tonight. Now we're going to place this nice ball into our bowl. We're going to cover it, and we're going to let it rest for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh yeah! Now it's become nice and soft, but we're going to want to knead this one more time for about 8 to 10 minutes. Again, we're working all that gluten in the dough, and we're going to have a beautiful, beautiful dough circle like this. Take a look at this. Smooth, round, sumptuous, perfect. But we're not done yet. Let's cover her up and give her another 15 minutes. Let's take a look at this dough. Oh, perfect. See how it just easily indents when you put your finger into it? That's what you want. Now, let's make sure to flour the area that we're going to be working on. We don't want the dough to stick to any of the surfaces that we're going to be using. So I like to put a little extra flour on my table, and then I'll scoop it up into a pile on the side so that I can continuously add it with ease. We're going to knead this up just a little bit more, and then we're going to cut this into 4 equal portions. Each portion is about 2 persons worth of noodles. I'll show you in just a second. Now I like to take a little flour and put it on my knife so that it doesn't stick. You can do this as well, just be careful as knives are sharp and you don't want to cut yourself. Now we're going to knead this quarter piece into a nice little ball as well, and then we're going to roll this out. Keep watching. It's very easy, and you're going to want to make these at home yourself. If you notice that the dough starts sticking to the rolling pin, just add a little flour on top of it, spread it across, and get rolling. Now this is going to take a little time, a little muscle, but you can do it. Just be patient, add a little bit of flour when needed, and then roll, roll, roll. You'll notice that I keep turning the dough as I roll. You want to keep it even and thin. Take a look, about 18 inches in a circle. Perfect. this little piece turned into this big piece. Now we're going to add a little bit of flour onto it. Both sides, please. And then what we're going to do is we're going to roll the top and bottom portion towards the center. Like so. Once you've got it shaped, get your knife out, prepare it, and then you're going to want to cut your noodles to your desired thickness. I like mine about 1/4 inch. Some people like more, some people like less. The great thing about these noodles is that you can do what you want. Make sure not to press with your fingers too hard on the dough. You don't want it to stick too much together, as you're going to have to unroll them like this. Now I know it seems like a lot of work, but trust me when I tell you, you will have never tasted noodles like this before. And when you see how cheap they are to make, you're going to want to make them all the time. Your family is going to love them. Let's speed ahead a little bit and see how they turned out. Look at these. Beautiful. Now you're going to add a little bit more flour to them so that they don't stick together, top and bottom. And then what I like to do is I like to toss them in my hands a little bit to make sure that flour gets all over. Look at that. Perfect. Here's another one. We're going to flour up our rolling pin and get going. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. You're going to do this for each 1/4 portion that you have. And this is what you end up with once you're finished. Look at these. They'll last 5 days in your refrigerator, or you can freeze them and keep them for up to a year. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates of new videos. It doesn't cost you anything, but it sure helps us a lot.